The intended goal of this video is to show you how you can use the Student's Charm to look at progress of individual students. Begin by navigating to PowerTeacher Pro. And choose a class. Choose the Student's Charm from the Charm bar and select a student. We've already looked at the assignments list, and the standards progress applies to those schools using standards-based grading. Today, we'll look at the other links under the Student's Charm. Begin by choosing the comment log link. Here, we can review all of the comments entered for a student. The comment log shows grade comments, comments on standards where applicable, and comments on assignment scores that have been entered by a teacher. If there are a lot of assignments, remember you can use the filter to pull out specific assignments or a category. For instance, if you want to see all of the quiz scores and comments for the selected student, you can filter for quizzes. That will list all the quizzes and comments for that student. Clear that search and choose the drop-down arrow, which will show the basic filter. Click the plus sign and you have the ability to choose a type of filter. If you want to see the class grade, check that type and apply, and you'll see the class grade and the comment that was entered for this student regarding that class grade. The clear button clears all filters. You can also sort the information on this page by type, text, score, or date. By selecting a grade cell, you can see summary information and reopen the score inspector. To edit the comment, select the comment icon on the score inspector. Modify the comment by inserting from the comment bank or typing it. When complete, remember to save. Navigate back to the Student's Charm and let's look at the demographics. The demographics pull from PowerSchool and the page is currently not editable. You can click on the parent email link to open your default email program to email the parent. Use the quick menu to navigate to another student, to see drop students, or to navigate to another view on the current student. Let's choose Quick Lookup Traditional. This is the same page that administrators and students see in PowerSchool and parents see in the parent portal. It shows the last 2 weeks' attendance, the current schedule, current grades, a summary of total absences and tardies, and the current GPA. Parents and students can click a teacher's name to send an email to the teacher. Click on any grade or the little I for additional information in a new page. You can show or hide standards where applicable. Choose View in the last column, and a student score detail box will open with the assignment title, category, comment if needed, and a description of the assignment. Close that window. Now let's go back to the quick menu and navigate to PowerTeacher Portal. This will jump to a new tab which brings the teacher back into the student backpack to view this student's schedule or any other page chosen from the Select Screens list. Thank you for viewing. This is the final video in our series. We hope these videos and scripts will be helpful to you as you begin the use of PowerTeacher Pro in fall of the 2018-19 school year.